Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video guys, I will show you how you can create a Facebook group really easy in only a few minutes. Alright, so please follow along with me so you can create your Facebook group. But before doing so guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, will help me a lot. Now let's jump right into the video. Now what you need to do is to look for your app, for your Facebook app, and tap on it, Facebook. And now you wanna tab here. This is the home page, but you wanna tab on these three lines right here, and you need to look for groups. It's between friends and marketplace. You want to tab right now on groups. Tab on groups, please. Groups. And now you want to tab here on groups. You see here groups on the top, but right here is the create button, or the cross icon, or yeah, right here. Tab on that. Create the group, create the public or private group, create the post. You want to tab on create a group, tab on create on group, and right here you need to choose the name. I'll use this name, How to Browser. Choose privacy. You can set this group as private or public. I'll choose public. Anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. Done, and create group. Can invite people, but I won't do that. Now upload cover photo right here. And next, describe your group. Okay, choose goals, meet people, plan and coordinate, learn or share or an interest. Next, create a post. You can write something here. You can add your first post, and now tab on done. As you can see here guys, now we created guys our Facebook group on our phone, using our phone, right? So right now you have only one member, but you can invite people. If you want to invite people, it's really easy. Just tap on invite, and then you can invite people. You can invite your friends. You can invite with your email. You can from here you can add a description to create a post, and that's it. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.